All right, guys, hopefully you can hear me here. The wind is definitely blowing. I don't know if it's going to be a very good night or not. My biggest concern right now is just that the coyotes aren't going to be able to hear in the wind because it is very windy. The wind's just picked up here since I got here. I don't know what the deal is. It wasn't this windy earlier, so really not sure. I didn't know that was going to happen, but we're going to give her a try anyway. And I'm going to try to pull this mask. I had this mask in my truck, and it's kind of grayish too, but it'll kind of blend into this grayish and brown grass here. So I'll try to pull this up over the white on my hat here. See if we can't get this done. See if we can't kill a coyote. Alright guys, the wind's definitely starting to die down. It's still gusting a little bit here and there, but I'm gonna light this call up here in just a few minutes. See if we can't get one of these Yotes down here and get him whacked with the Long Ranger 223. Well guys, I don't know if I got that one on camera, but the one came back. I don't know if I hit him or not. I could just see his head. Crazy deal. I don't know if I got him or not, but we're gonna go find out. Well, here's dog number one. Nice looking dog. Good looking coyote. Fairly young dog, probably last year's, maybe this year's pup. It's like a male. Good looking dog. He's got pretty good fur already. Not too bad, not too bad. I'm gonna walk up here see if I can't find this other one I shot at. I don't know if I hit him or not. He definitely dropped, like disappeared when I shot, but I just don't know if I actually hit him or not. We're gonna find out real quick. All right, guys, I evidently didn't get that other coyote. I can't find him anywhere, and I can't find any blood, which I'm not surprised. I'm not even sure how far he was. He was out there a long ways. It was just tough because I was trying to get the camera on him, but I just couldn't. But I didn't want him to get away, which he did, unfortunately. But there's just so many coyotes on this farm. I sat here last night, I saw 6 coyotes while deer hunting, and they were chasing deer around, and it was a mess. So definitely glad I got one. I wish I could have got that second one. I was fooling around and it just didn't work out, but I'll give it a couple weeks here and we'll come back and try it again. Might start doing a little coyote hunting over the next couple days here, or the next couple weeks here, when I'm not deer hunting. And it's a really good time of year to get some killed because they're really not educated, and they will definitely come in pretty good. So it's a good time of the year to knock a few dogs down and get the population down a little bit on your property. So I'm gonna pick this one up right here. Nice looking male here. Head back to the truck. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Hunt with Henry. Definitely enjoyed bringing it to you. We're gonna do a little more coyote hunting here soon. So God bless, guys. Remember, if it's not made in America, it's not gonna be made at all.